Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are talking about the Speed WWE. Not yes, we are talking about this Speed. The Speed had came with Logan Paul in WWE at WrestleMania, and who marked at Randy Orton and Grant from Randy Orton, who is the big fan of Cristiano Ronaldo. So, and the Speed, who had huge YouTuber too, and who has more millions of subscribers in YouTube channel, and he is visiting every country. But he forgot about Nepal. Once upon a time, he had said that he would come in Nepal. Once a boy from Nepal told him to come in Nepal. He gave him jersey. He said, "Okay, I will come to Nepal," but I think he forget about it. So why are you fooling us, or you forget? I don't know. But I warmly welcome you. Please come here and visit me and visit this beautiful country.